Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus Code, blocks. We'll explore the key differences between these two popular development tools to help you decide which one best suits your programming needs. We'll look at their core functionalities, performance characteristics, and the types of projects where each truly shines. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, making your choice much easier. VS Code stands out as a modern, highly versatile code editor. Its strength lies in its incredible extensibility, offering tens of thousands of extensions for nearly every programming language and tool imaginable. Developers appreciate its quick launch times and relatively low memory footprint, making it a nimble choice for various tasks. The built-in Git integration and powerful debugging capabilities further enhance productivity for many developers. Code Blocks, on the other hand, is a dedicated integrated development environment, particularly strong for C, C++, and Fortran. It offers a complete package, including a robust debugger, compiler support, and comprehensive project management features right out of the box. Many find its native performance and stability appealing, especially when working on large-scale C++ applications or in environments where a lightweight, yet powerful, IDE is essential for development. Ultimately, the better tool depends on your specific programming focus. If you're primarily involved in web development, scripting, or working with a wide array of languages, VS Code's flexibility and vast ecosystem make it an excellent choice. However, for dedicated C, C++, or Fortran development, especially in academic or competitive settings, Code Blocks provides a more integrated and specialized environment. Choose the one that aligns best with your daily coding tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.